Hi, I'm Gabby Alvarez. I'm a professional makeup artist living in LA. I'm gonna show you guys how to get the fluffy brow trend for 2024. We're gonna go from this to this. These are my natural brows. I do shave off the tails so I can draw a new shape. So we're going to be using the ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown and graphite to build my look today. So for a more defined look, you can use 2 shades to give yourself that more hair-like appearance, or you can use 1 shade just to give a really soft, natural look. I'm gonna start by using the spoolie end to comb my front hairs in place before I start drawing in the tail. Then I'm going to use the shade dark brown and start by creating the shape on the outer part of my brow. And I like to raise my brow, I like to raise my forehead to make sure I'm creating a natural arch for myself. I use really, really light feather-like strokes and start to fill in the front once I have my shape. The best way to find your shape if you have brows like mine is to fully make expressive faces with your brows, moving up and down to make sure that when you draw them in, they are following your natural face structure. And I always like to start with the tails first. It makes it easier to fill in the front when you have your shape going. And I love using the spoolie on the end to really soften any hard edges from the pencil. I'm going to use shade graphite now to create little hair-like strokes in the shape I've already made. This builds more definition and makes things look more bushy and more full. Using little flicking motions in the front to really mimic the hairs I already have there. I like to add little strokes where I already have natural hair, but I want to build a little bit more depth and darkness. And then I always use the little spoolie on the end to soften the edges. These are my final brows. I love using these ABH Brow Wiz pencils because they are so easy to use because of their creamy, waxy nature. And I loved using the 2 shades to give a nice ashy, cool tone brow for myself. And what I really love about these particular brow pencils is the spoolie on the end, making it super easy to clean up any mistakes that you may make. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you in the next video.